Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing of the Dewalt, the model for this compressor. It's a nailer and compressor combo kit. Comes with the hose, compressor, as well as the brad nailer. A couple things here. It says it was 38.75 pounds. This is model DWFP 1 kit. Got this at Home Depot's on sale. Says it's a $305 value. Let's get into this. So, opened it up just because it's a little bit easier. Right now I'm just filming by myself. I haven't set up my tripod for it. Comes here with a hose. This one I had just opened it up, cut off the little ties, and then realized, well, I always forget to make my videos on time, so or I'll open stuff and then remember I got to do it. Comes with the instruction booklet here. And yeah, I'm taking this part out. Okay, so it's a compressor handle. I didn't know that. I actually thought it might have been something else because I've never seen the top of this type of compressor. And then the compressor itself, I'm assuming this box over here, it's going to be the tools, such as the gun. Okay, so I got everything out. It's going to be the gun itself, and then more instructions. This one's for the nailer itself. And it looks like that is it. So this thing's pretty small. Put some of the specifications on it. You'll have your regulator there with your dial, the little connections, quick snaps. The handle is actually made out of plastic, but feels real sturdy. It's really on there. The compressor itself has little rubber feet. It's got 3 of those. 3? Yeah, 3. And, you know, it's actually pretty sturdy. You have your cable here, power, and it looks pretty good. I'll hook it all up, and then we'll go from there. This is one of the Husky 13-piece air tool accessory kit. This is what I got to use with the compressor because I'm not always going to be brad nailing, but I might use it for other things. And here it has for your bike tires, blowgun situation there. It's got the couplers, and then also if you need it for your tires on your vehicle instead of a bicycle. So let me open that up and then go from there. Okay, so I got everything out. I'm gonna hook this up, which is the blowgun, and then it's got the tip. Oh, I already lost it. Okay, so we're gonna have to put one of these on there, and then there's the tip itself to spray stuff out in case things get dirty or you need more pressure than using a bigger blower or something like that. These are the 3 pieces. This will go in there. That way you're able to couple it to the other end of the hose. The other end is already in there. This is, so you push that back and it pops off. Or if you're trying to put it in, go there, you push on this, and then that'll let it lock in there. Well, let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Now it's in there. And like I said, it'll be the opposite over here. And that's why we're gonna use male, screw this there, and then the blow tip here. Let me see if I can get it under the camera. There we go. Sorry guys, I probably should have set up everything properly, but didn't think about doing this till almost 8 o'clock at night here. That goes in there. This will go in here. Probably gonna need a little wrench because it's still got the tightening stuff on there, so let me get that. Okay, so I already have it all hooked up here. Let's turn on this thing, and it says instructions to turn this counterclockwise until it's at 0 on here, as well as the gauge itself being at 0, which it was already at, but it's one of the instructions. So got it plugged up. Let's see. right, guys, so I turned it off. It's a little bit louder than I thought, but you know what? This is actually one of the quietest ones that I've ever used. It's the first one that I've owned. Now that I have a house, I'm always doing little projects here and there. A bit of a DIY here and there, just learning as much as I can. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave comments at the bottom. Like I said, this is my first air compressor. I went with this one just because of the capacity of the tank, as well as the PSI, just for the stuff that I might use it. I'll eventually have to use it with the Brad nailer as well. And yeah, I mean, it's not loud. From my understanding, anything under like 80 PSI is considered quiet. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, on the box, it said, yeah, this one's 78.5. I don't know if it'll zoom in properly. There you go, 78.5. So it's really quiet. They still recommend you use goggles. I'm sorry, earmuffs. But you know, if you're in an open space, I'm pretty sure like a car passing by was louder than this thing for me. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions or need me to do any updates, let me know. Thanks, guys.